Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Impeccable cleanliness is the order of the day when you are making a fish chunk.
This one.
Starting
I
from
think I'm
the
caught bone with this thing.
preparation of the fish, where you make sure you clean up the veins and co. That's why when you look at it on a close range, you will see that it almost looks like pangasius fish. And like our teacher told us just now, that's why house flies are not all over the place. Thank God it's not a black soldier fly program.
So,
with all apology to the black soldier fly guys, this one is fish chunks.
What do you say?
It's a processing of small chunks.
Oh yeah.
Okay. But the most important thing is that do as much as possible to prevent flies.
And that's it. And
That's why we have the insects.
Insects, catcher.
Your net must be there.
Your net must be there.
Yeah, okay. The fly catcher up there. And then you see the net. Right.
Net to cover
Right
when
up there.
the
Right.
processing is going on.
Then additional net to
Demonstrate
cover.
how you cover with the net, please.
Hey, people, you got it.
This is an indictment on the black soldier fly guys. Here we don't like anything fly.
You have to prevent.
We have to prevent it completely.
You have to prevent it.
There's not even fly here.
Okay.
It's because they've done.
You go to a party,
A participant said there's no fly here at all. It's because of what's been done. Septic environment, because of inspections that come.
You are going to
Inspectors
wait
that come
after 14 it.
unannounced
Check the
at any
other
time.
ones. You know we've already checked the. We did not check the weight of the egg.
Wait, come again.
I've been chasing your
Try
cotton.
to understand.
So
You're
that
supposed
you
to
will
have
know
checked the weight ahead
your cost.
so that you know your cost.
These are
That's the
steady
question they're asking us.
female
National
hands. Steady female hands. You can see that.
I should continue cutting, or some people will join me in
But if I
cutting.
Let's look at the main.
An advanced question.
Men's cotton.
When this one is fully processed and you pack them in 1 kg, no bone, nothing like this, they are packed in 1 kg. What is the market cost to sell now?
Now, what we do is this is how we estimate it. 1 kg of fish, we cut 55. This one, 55
It's okay.
to 60 for 1 kg of fish.
But there is both.
That's what
Yes, you cannot do without it.
And for the school feeding program, we're selling this 31 naira for them.
This, okay, 31.
32 naira. And that is between 6 grams and between 7 and 8 grams.
6.5.
7 and 8 grams is what we sell for them.
Okay.
At
Of
32
weight.
naira.
Weight.
Of this one.
You can
Wait.
see
Wait,
this one
wait.
using this
Okay.
because it is fast.
But because they are buying in pieces,
So you won't have it.
they
I
don't
cannot
buy,
cut it
they are
in
buying pieces and the
I'll
grams,
just leave it like this.
the wet grams. The weight in the wet weight in grams is what they are buying. And it's per piece.
Yes, you can.
So if you check by the 1 kg fish, you cut 6, that's we have done that.
That's 1 kg divided by
1 kg
7.
fish will give you 60, let's say 60.
Times 32 will give you about
1,000.
1,008 something.
80 something, or
Yes.
1,900.
Yes, and you and I know how much is 1 kg of fish is. Let's just do the rough estimate now. 1 kg of fish, we know how much it is. Then we have the head. Don't forget, the head is with us. This one is with us. It's from that fish.
The bones.
The intestine, every other one is with us from the fish.
The egg is with us.
The egg is with us.
So
The fat is with
will
us.
add up. It will add up.
This one is because of cranium. That's our own trade secret.
How did you do this that time?